the PC usable when you're making multiple tasking. Use your PC smoothly while you work in multiple tasking. Sometimes when we work and we have to make some multiple tasks, and then we had to face some problem with using multiple tasks in PCs because there is a lot of files and temp and cache files running in the background of PCs. Just delete them and the PC will work smoothly again. Click on Windows bar and type run, and pop-up window should be open, and click on temp, percentage and temp, and click Ctrl A to select all and delete it. Then go another time, and this time click on just temp and select all the file and just delete them, and go another time and select the pre-patch or type pre-patch, and then select all the file and delete them, and then go to app data and select for all the file and delete it if you don't have the important file, the app data. Then you should have this. Go to the task manager and delete the unnecessary files that are running in the background, and that's it. Your PC will run smooth. And one thing, don't open multiple tabs on the code. Don't take a lot of RAM when you're opening the tab on the code. It will take a lot of space from one tab. That's all. Thank you.